YouTube, what's up? It's Rick, and today I got a 2008 Jeep JK. This is a Wrangler. The issue on this Wrangler today, we have, while we drive, the customer complained about like a thumping or a knocking in the rear. So I went, test drove it, I confirmed the knocking in the rear. And underneath here, this truck has a suspension lift. So any suspension lift, even if you don't have a suspension lift, 0 to 6 inches. These control arms right here, these things, these bushings inside here, they go bad. And the bushing inside here is actually what's causing that thumping sound. If you can hear that. So this is the fix. Both sides I'm gonna replace, this side and that side. So if you have a lift, these are the rear upper control arms for the rear. These are the bushings that go bad inside of them. This one actually doesn't have bushings, but the one inside of the Jeep that I'm going to take out, it'll have the bushings. I'll show you how they're worn. So this is adjustable, and this obviously you can loosen this, and I'll show you how it just spins like that and it extends and then it goes back in. So it adjusts to where your lift is. So it'll work. I'll show you how I install it. This is a 13/16 bolt on both sides. So you're gonna get a 13/16 socket and then a 13/16 ratchet, open-ended ratchet, whatever you got. Or if you have 2 sockets, you could do 2 wrenches, it doesn't matter. But we're gonna go ahead and replace this now, and we're gonna get that knocking taken care of. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so I'm going to put my jack underneath this truck, but I'm just loosening up these bolts right now. What I want you to do is watch this area. This is my my wrench, and I'm loosening it up. As you can see, that's turning. I want you to watch this lower half as I go down with this. Watch this lower half here. See how that thing is moving? That whole thing is jumping in there because that bushing in there is bad. So try to stabilize the camera enough for you guys to see this. See that? That's the sound we're hearing. I mean, that's this, but if you guys can see that, that arm is moving down there. So, we're gonna loosen these up now and get the new ones in. All right, bolt is out, but I still gotta get this arm down. Gotta bring this big boy in. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to film this. Alright, not too much going on in there. You got to take out the back side. You got to take out this side first. You got to take out the rear to get this out. You can't hammer it down because there's a lip right here. It's not going to go down anymore. So you got to take out this. So we'll do that one now. Same size ratchet, same size wrench. Alright guys, so here's a much better, watch this thing jump. See that? No bueno. Ah, damn, it's a pain in the ass. All right, guys, look at this. That's all that craziness right there. Piece of shit. All right, let's get the new one in.